When the engine is running, you can hear knocking sound. I'm going to turn on the engine and then you take a listen to that. So we started rough and it's idling rough. And as you can hear, there's that knocking sound coming from that area, which tells you the engine is gone. So after taking the oil pan and the oil pump, we can see some metals in here that is found in the engine. This metal debris. There is a metal. This is also a big chunk of metal, and that is also part of it. And when we check into the pan, we see when we check in the pan, we see this, and certainly that was a big problem. No wonder there was those knocking sound coming. No wonder there was those knocking sound coming from the engine. Now see, that is also metallic. This is also metallic. We look further down. These are a very big chunk. This is a big chunk. All right, so we'll go and just check under the engine and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the engine. We can see there's one big piece of a metal between this gear and then the crankshaft. So that is something to worry about. The bearings actually got worn off and eaten, and that resulted into that. Now when we look into the parts, behind that, you can see between the hole, just by the hole, and then that there's something hanging there. So that is also maybe a metal part of the engine that has broken off. But at least it's a smaller piece, so we can push it and then if possible break it off. So we'll try and then take this off, inspect it. Now let's try moving this. Yeah. We can see some movement here. That one is worn off. All right, let's see this one. This one is still stable. Now taking a look, this is badly worn. This is the other bearing, and you can see these are all fragments now. It's totally worn off.